Nĩ ngatho ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe ndĩ taũni-inĩ ya Thika na haha ndĩ na mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩa maranjĩra mena ka experience kanini kegiĩ wendo. Ngĩririkana hĩndĩ ĩrĩa twathomaga kũrĩa gĩcagi Kaharangware nĩ twakoragwo tũkĩrwo atĩ kwa mwendwa gũtirĩ irĩma, nĩ ũngĩohire thabarĩ ũthiĩ kũndũ kũraya mũno ũkonane na mwendwa waku, no thikũ ici fare nĩ irarĩo. Rĩu no nyende kwaranĩria naya manjĩre we experience yaku ya wendo nĩ ũrĩ wakorwo wendo-inĩ, wakoragwo ũhana atĩa, nĩ kwarĩ na challenges o ciothe? Ambĩrĩria na rĩtwa rĩaku.
My name is Diana Kamau. So love has been good to me. I'm currently in a relationship of 3 years. It's been nice. Yeah.
Mĩaka ĩtatũ. Onjĩra nĩ ũraigua Gĩkũyũ no ndũrahota kwaria Gĩkũyũ wega. Ũguo no hoe okorwo Gĩthweri wĩ sawa, ũtwarĩrie na Gĩthweri tũrĩa mĩaka ĩyo ĩtatũ rĩ. Relationship yaku ĩkoretwo ĩhana atĩa?
In the 3 years kumekuwa na challenges. Some of the challenges is that you find some of your friends don't approve it. Some of them will go and start saying bad things behind your back to your parents. So you're bado to and from, bado handling school and relationship. Sometimes it's tough. But the good thing about it is that you're never lonely. You have somebody to talk to, like a best friend you can confide your things in, and you're safe knowing that somebody trusts you.
Kwa hiyo miaka tatu mshawahi kukosana, na wakati mlikosana mlisolve aje maneno ya mapenzi?
When we have our battles, like when we have our difficulties, we normally solve them through working it out. We talk through it, that like don't sikuisisha kama mmekasirikiana. Just talk through it. If maybe mnapata mlikosana because of a very petty thing. Yeah, I believe communication and trust is the main thing in a relationship.
Hatire handũ ũrĩ ũragweta mbeca. Mbeca nĩ mũroraga mũno thikũ ici Gen Z.
Depends with the person. Depends with the person, your background. As for me, money haijawahi kuwa the key issue for relationship since we are both working, so it's never been an issue. But even if you find your love ama your partner doesn't earn that much, I don't think unafaa kumpatia ile pressure sana, because he's still human at the end of the day.
Okay, nĩ thengiũ mũno nĩ ũndũ wa ihinda rĩaku. Rĩu nĩ mũgũtũhera tondũ Gen Z ingĩ gũkũ taũni matirahota kwĩyaria na rũthiomi rwa mbere. No nyende na wambĩrĩrie na rĩtwa rĩaku, ũnjĩre we experience yaku ya mapenzi, wendo ĩkoretwo ĩhana atĩa?
Naitwa Edna Mwei. For me naweza sema experience yangu ya love haijakuwa that good, because nimekuwa young, na mtu akiwa young anakuanga na a lot of influences from different people, unapata different opinions from people. Sasa inafanya unajaribu kupata relationship too good, of which haiwezi kuwa too good. Sasa ina lead to many heartbreaks hivi.
Siku hizi kuna naona mnapiga sherehe, unaenda unapiga na mtu yeyote sherehe, haujali kama boyfriend ataleta shida ama pia yeye ako kwa hiyo house party, mnapiga tu sherehe. Nĩ mũrona hata ĩngĩrehe thĩna thikũ ici kana nĩ mũraiguana, nĩ mũra understand each other?
Naweza sema kwa relationships nyingi utapata the boyfriend na the girlfriend wote wawili ni watu wa sherehe, so like utapata wakienda pamoja. Ukiweza pata mali the girlfriend anaenda peke yake itakuwa issue, because kwa sherehe watu hufanya a lot of stuff. Sasa utapata the boyfriend akikuwa jealous because mambo yote yenye msichana alifanya kwa ile party, vitu kama hizo.
Na ile changamoto kubwa ambayo mnakutana nayo kwenye mapenzi wakati huu 2025 ni gani?
Naweza sema kwa watu wengi ni issue na pesa, because madem wengi who expect ati ukidate lazima boyfriend yako lazima kuprovide this, but mimi naweza sema si lazima kuprovide, because kila mtu ako na mzazi wake. Unafaa expect kutoka kwa mzazi wako, si ati lazima utegemee boyfriend yako akupatie pesa.
Okay, nĩ ngatho mũno nĩ ũndũ wa ihinda rĩaku, na ũcio nĩguo uge wa mbeũ njĩthĩ taũni-inĩ ya Thika maũndũ-inĩ megiĩ wendo. Wakarura wa nyũtũ gũcokeria mwaro, ĩno nĩ ceceni ya Inooro TV, na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.